Okay, so the first color we're going to go into is this. It's like a magenta. It's called Zulu or something like that, but it's the matte purple that's in the Masquerade palette. And then I'm going to use the Zulu palette and take another purple, and it's a darker purple. And those are the first two palettes we're going to use, basically the main palettes actually. And I already primed my eyes with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Okay, so I'm going into the Masquerade palette first. And I'm just going in to blend out the color. And I go back and forth between the palette probably 3 times just to get the intensity that I want it to be. Okay, and I'm going to go into the Zulu palette now and take the darker purple. Okay, and instead of going in with a clean brush, I'm going to go back in with the first brush that I used to blend the two together. And then I'm going to go in with the LA Colors blending brush to get a little bit more in there. And with the two purples, they're going to kind of blend in into one, but you're still going to be able to see the transition. I'm working backwards right now. So for the top part of my eye, because you already saw in the other eye where it's like a little yellow. So I'm going to take the yellow and orange in the Zulu palette. And I'm going to take the yellow first and then the orange. Just kind of go back and forth between the two. And I'm just going back and forth between the yellow and the orange. Okay, and I'm going to go back in with one of the brushes and blend it into the upper color. I guess that's what it's called. Okay, and for the crease, I'm going to take this indigo, which is a dark blue from the 39A palette, and it's the Morphe palette. And I'm going to use this Real Techniques brush and press it right in the crease. And I'll go back in with that LA Colors brush to blend it in. And then I'm going to go back in with one of the purples that I used, whatever's left on the brush. Swirling it around in the crease, and because I have hooded lids, the color's gonna go in there anyway. Okay, and I'm just gonna do a black line across. I'm not gonna do a wing today. Eyes, I just really did what I did at the top. For some reason the eyes under my colors don't seem to show up as much. I don't know why. Okay, so for my inner corner, I'm going to go into this champagne color from the Sahara 2. And I'm going to take this lime green out of the ABH Prism palette and put it on top. And for highlighter, I'm just going to use Aina's Lip Peach. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to take the NYX Suede Lip Liner in Club Hopper, the Lip Lingerie in Cheekies as usual, and the NYX Duo Chromatic Lip Gloss, and crushing it.